America, ShipOwner. It's very clear that this war in Iran will really make America grow risk-free area, especially what happened within Venezuela. And who knows, perhaps we can even employ there around 2,000 seafarers in Cuba. Why not? We must invest in America. Shipping, we have nothing to do with politics. And we have nothing to do with this, right? This left, no, it's just shipping. We start commerce in the Caribbean, we start gas, we start LNG, container trade, bull carrier, offshore, drills, platforms, bunkers, LNG bunkering will exploit in America and all new business. And the main thing we must focus, dear America, ship owners, employ local Americans. Of course, until we have this 25% growth jet fuel, we cannot really think about what will happen in June, July. Will there be the relief Filipino as well? Or what will happen with the trade of the tank and the gas and so on? Will the cruise business move to Miami, Hope, and would we need local crew? Just contact us, because there is possibilities. We have 300 Spanish cadets available to join. We have a mixture of Europeans and also Americans. We have done that before, you see. We found America before and we made trade with America because we did return. Some say they went, but there's no proof they returned. So here we are specialists in Bilbao of being the strategic maritime meeting point. We have been here for the last 45,000 years since we had this meteorite and the flesh in Thumaya coast, and we generated this business. Since then we have been in contact with America, and also if you are an American ship owner and you have trades with Morocco, Algiers, because those countries are growing, they have a very young population, very strategically placed, we can really also select perfect, nice, and also West Africa offshore and the new development. We can get business in the Atlantic for America ship owners. Think about it, also the Pacific. Some flags have to be decided, some nationalities, some training, some cadets. Candina is your partner. Perhaps now is the time we think and we return together. Thank you. Bye.